TikTok has added a new feature for text posts. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to share text posts on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, make sure you've updated the TikTok app on your smartphone to the newest available version. Then, open TikTok and tap the plus sign at the bottom. In the menu that appears, select Text. Now type in what you'd like your post to say. You can edit the appearance of the text just like in a regular TikTok video post. Tap one of the colored dots to change the text color. Tap the A button to add an outline or background to your text. Tap the lines beside it to change your text alignment. Select a font to change the style of your text. Use the slider above to make your text larger or smaller. Tap Done when you're finished. Now you can add music or another sound from TikTok to your text post, just like with any other type of post on TikTok. Change the background color for your post by tapping the colored circle on the right. You can also add stickers if you like. If you want to add a hashtag or mention someone in your text post, you can do so with stickers. When you're finished creating your post and want to share it, tap Post to Feed or Your Story if you only want this post to be temporary. Your text post will appear on your profile and in your followers' feeds just like your other video posts. That's all it takes to share text posts on TikTok. To learn about more awesome TikTok features, check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.